And what's good, YouTube, man? It's Corey Ratcliffe, and you're tuning in to Corey the Phone Trader channel. We back with another banger. So we took one trade on gold 2 different times, but on the Apex account it was at a different time, and on the Take Profit Trader was at a different time. But one trade on both accounts, guys. And I'm getting ready to show you that we made profit today. I'm done trading for the week. I ain't trading them all, man, unless it's a crazy setup that I got to take. But other than that, this week has been tough, man. I guess because it's the end of the month, and at the end of the month, trading, it can get a little hard, a little tough. But I ended up pulling through, finding some good trades, man. It's the same setups that I'm taking. It's just they haven't been going my way. Well, let's get into it, man. Let me show you guys the trades. All right, guys, as you guys know, on micro gold on a 4-hour time frame, I've been showing y'all this every time that the market has been bouncing in these white lines. But if we go to the 1-hour time frame, if we zoom in, so this white line right here is the major trend line, but this white line right here and this white line on top is a wedge. So what happens when a wedge is being formed? It closes in like this, guys. It wedge, get closer, and then boom, it takes off to the moon, man. That's what I thought that was gonna happen, man. And this trade ended up playing out perfectly. It ended up playing out right. But the first trade that we took was on this account, on the Take Profit Trader 25K funded account. So we took this trade right when I woke up, guys. Man, as soon as I heard my alarm, as soon as I got up, I looked at the market, and normally where I place my trades at once it come out of a wedge, it was like it was set up perfectly. As soon as I woke up, man, as soon as I woke up, I turned this phone on, and the market was at my position where I normally take it, and I got right in. It's like beep, beep, beep. I woke up, got out the bed, looked at the charts. Oh, this is perfect. Bye. Like, it worked out perfectly, guys. So as you guys can see, we zoom out a little bit. So the market has been ranging in between this wedge. Now, this is the major trend line, but these two is just lines that I drew that's coming out of a wedge. So when I woke up this morning, let's go, we're gonna go to the 5-minute time frame. All right, so this is where I got in at, guys. Perfect entry. So after I took the trade, after I placed the trade, I ended up drawing this line because it came out of this small little trend line, and it broke out. It had finally broke out, and I placed my trade right where you see this blue arrow at. I normally like to let it break out of the trend line and then place the trade where the next liquid zone at, or you know what I'm saying, where it might be struggling at to go to get ahead or to go past. That's all she wrote, man. I'm just keeping it simple. It was just a simple breakout, guys, forming a flag. Look at this. Flag. Flag. Perfect flag coming out of a trend line, man, out of a zone, man. I'm just trying to keep it simple and make it plain for everybody. This is all I'm doing. It ain't nothing special. Yeah, they played out right, man. And just think, had I held this thing, guys. But as you guys know, I like to get out, you know what I'm saying? I like to keep my intraday trailing drawdown. And to be honest, guys, it's been such a tough week trading. I said, you know what? If the market gets up to a 1 to 2, I'm just gonna get out of the trade completely. I don't feel like holding. I don't feel like the market coming back or having some type of retracement and holding the trade. I don't care. I wasn't even paying attention to whether the market hit my 1 to 1 or 1 to 2. I was just aiming for a 1 to 2, and I got out at a 1 to 2. So this was a $120 trade. I said, you know what? I'm finna cut it. I'm finna cut the trade now. So I had the account at like 300 and some change. I said once I make $200 and put this account at $25,500, I'm done for the day. And that's exactly what happened, guys. As you guys can see, account summary. We ended up making $205, and I was just aiming to get this account at $500. So I'm officially at $500 profit. We need $1,000 more dollars in order to be at the buffer, and then we can start getting daily payouts. I was just aiming for $500. I'm only $1,000 away now, guys, man. That is what I'm aiming for, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to keep it simple. I'm just trying to make it plain. It is what it is, man. So we ended up winning on that trade. Just simple. Now, if we go to this side on Apex, now I didn't take the same trade over here on Apex. I ended up waiting to see another flag. I said, if I see another flag, then I'm going to take it. So this was take profit trader 25K pro funded account. And this trade right here, now you would look at that and be like, Corey, why did you trade that? I actually ended up winning this trade, man. I was just aiming for a 1-to-1. I didn't know, because of all this happening, guys, after the market did all of this, I'm like, man, the market has to do some type of retracement. I'ma just aim for a 1-to-1, man. I had this account at 50,800 and some change. So if I would have made a 1-to-1, it would have put this account back at 51,000 even. But this is nothing but a flag, guys. This is just made plain simple, man. If I go to the 1 hour time frame, all right, wait till that load up. All right, what you guys see is a flag. I ended up catching this trade at the right time, because as you guys can see, man, the market kept rejecting right here, then came down, and then finally bounced back up, man. So where I got in at was I got in that yellow candle right there. So I seen rejection 1, rejection 2, rejection 3, rejection 4. I'm like, this thing ain't done. Once I start seeing full body candles trying to finish above this white line, then I'm gonna get in. That's exactly what happened, guys. I ended up getting in where that yellow candle went, and I was aiming for a 1-to-1. As soon as I was getting ready to close the trade, the market came down just a little bit, but like 20 something bucks, in between 15 to 20 bucks. But that was the trade that I ended up taking, just a small little 1-to-1. And if I click on the account, we ended up making $165.48. I was just aiming for a $180 trade. And you know what I'm saying, by the time I tried to close and all that, the market came down just a little bit. So yeah, we're just keeping it simple, keeping it plain, guys. I have this account back at $51,000, man. I'm satisfied with that. I think I'm done for the week, man. I'm not going to trade no more until next week. We made profit, guys. $200 and $165. Well, good trading day, guys, on 2 different accounts, man. End up finding setups for both of them. I'm good, man. I'm straight until next week, man. Just gonna keep doing the same thing, keeping it simple. Now what I'm getting ready to do, guys, is show you my intraday trailing drawdown on both accounts. All right, it's loaded. If we go over here in this right hand corner, click on that, you will see this is the same thing as Trading View. Let me zoom in a little bit. This is the same account that's on Trading View. You saw the P&L, $205 we made today. Click the X. Our intraday trailing drawdown is almost at a full $1,500. For the 25K funded account, the intraday trailing drawdown that's given to us is $1,500. We are only 50 cents off. All right, we're there. Let's click on the 3 dots. As you guys can see, same thing that was on Trading View. The P&L, we made $165.48. Same thing that was on Trading View. We click the X. Our intraday trailing drawdown is at $2,000. So we're $500 off. Not bad. So, man, we are doing really good in these accounts, man. I have them at a good spot. I'm satisfied. We straight, man. We just gonna come back better next week. Just been a hard week this week, boy. It's been tough trying to find these setups. I've been finding them, but just the market is not just, the market just don't want to do right, man. It's just yeah. It's fruit ninja, whatever that fruit game is where you slice some fruit. It's just been, man, slicing and dicing everywhere. It's coming to hit people's stop loss and then taking off to where they originally want to. It's like, good grief. But hey, we got these accounts in a good spot. We straight. End of the week, man. I don't know if I'll trade tomorrow. It'll have to be something crazy for me to see. If not, I'm good. I'm straight. Man, been a tough week. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you click that notification bell for more videos and bangers. Cord, the phone trader, got coming out, man. Man, crazy week this week, man. Man, you guys be blessed. Hopefully you guys have a good weekend. On that note, I'm out of here. I gotta get me something to eat. It is 1:11 p.m. and I'm hungry, and I'll leave at 2 o'clock. But on that note, peace, blessings, love y'all. And you know the motto after every video: in 3, 2, 1. Guess what, y'all? You almost lost me. I holla. Peace out, baby. Deuces.